A mentor of mine long time ago gave me some great advice about taxes. He said the best way to mitigate taxes is through something called series LLCs. I'm not talking about your traditional LLCs that you go and create in Florida, New York, California. I'm talking about Texas-specific series LLCs. If you want impeccable asset protection, you want to minimize your taxes, and you want to protect yourself from litigation, from frivolous lawsuits, you have to pursue this strategy. You got to get with a qualified CPA who's going to show you how to create a holding company, an LLC, and then a second LLC, which is called the Asset Operating LLC. Now, the great thing is that not only are you going to protect yourself from frivolous lawsuits, you're also going to stay anonymous. So in the first LLC, let's say the name of the company is 123 Main Street. That's if you're a landlord, if you're a real estate property investor and you've got tenants, you're going to be sending all of your communications, all of your emails, all of your phone calls through that LLC, the shell company LLC. But all of your assets, all of your properties, all of that money is going to be held in the second LLC called the Operating/Asset LLC. And the great thing is that people don't even know how to find you. They don't even know how to go after you, because when they look at your financials, the holding/shell company is going to have maybe $1, $2, $3. So it's not going to be worth litigating after you. The lawyers, the tenants, they're going to give up. They're not going to go after you. And generally speaking, I've seen cases from $2,000 to over $200,000 when it comes to series LLCs. So protecting yourself with this amazing strategy is going to help shield you from frivolous lawsuits, keep you anonymous, and help you give that extra layer of protection. How do you go about building this? Now, it's very important that when you build the two LLCs, when you sign up for the two LLCs, you do so by creating a separate EIN number. Now, an EIN number is the employer identification number. The EIN number is, you get it through the IRS. You've got two separate EIN numbers, you've got two separate bank accounts, you've got two separate schedulees when you go and file your taxes, and your CPA is going to show you how to do all these things. But the key here, guys, the key here is to make sure you're using a separate accounting system, a separate QuickBooks for each of these LLCs. Because if the IRS sees, hey, everything is being done through one company in QuickBooks, you're more likely to get audited. But by working with somebody like us, a qualified CPA, we're going to go in there, create two separate companies in QuickBooks. We're going to make sure that two companies don't interact with each other at all. And guess what? When you formalize this contract, you don't have to shift income. Essentially, you can keep all the money in the operating and asset company, and the shell company could have absolutely no money in there, so that tenants and people looking to do frivolous lawsuits cannot go after you. Series LLCs are best formed in Texas because they've got the most favorable rules, laws, and regulations, and they're going to get you the best bang for your buck. Guys, taxes are a way to lose money. You need to learn how to keep more money in your pocket, and no better way than hiring the FitBiz CPA.